Last time on Tree Ponder SC Fishing.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Gabe. This is Tree Ponder SC Fishing. Today we're at a completely new spot. It's been a long time since I've been able to get out on something like this. This is a new spot. I just discovered it. I'm super excited. There's bowfin, there's bass, there's crappie, there's shell cracker. We're going for anything I can get a hold of right now because the fishing's been so bad lately, but I think today is going to break the streak. I think we're going to have a fishy full day. I hope so. Fingers crossed. I'm going to finish my breakfast and go upriver here. You're coming with me. Let's do this. New spot. Beautiful bass. Look at them. Ah, what the f***? There we go. All right, bass on the spinnerbait. Golly, man, these bass are gorgeous. Come on, dude. Yeah, bass on the spinnerbait. Nice. Oh boy, we need the pliers to get that off. Sorry, little dude. You just gotta chill for a second. I gotta find the freaking pliers. Oh, there they are. I would have never found them in there. There we go. All right, pretty guy on that. Jesus, well, he's lively. This poor spinnerbait has been through the ringer. Another bass. Hey. Blazing worm, guys. Black and blue. Yeah, man. There's another bass. All right. Good one. Another little one. Oh my God. Stop. Jeez. Whoa. This is something big. I didn't see what it was. Big bass pulling the boat around. Big bass, big bass. Oh, hell yeah. Woo! Now we're talking. Oh. Is it a PB? Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Is it a PB? Oh. That's a big bass. So happy. It's big bass. This isn't a PB, but it's close. Come here, you big bastard. Oh my God, maybe it is. Holy cow. Holy cow. This is a big bass. And the net. No. Look at the mouth. Holy crap. Oh man. All right. I don't think this guy is going to break 6 pounds because that's my PB. But could be. This is definitely the biggest bass of 2024. So there's that. Come here, big girl. Let's see. 514. So not my PB, but definitely the biggest bass of 2024. Look at that. Man, that made this whole trip totally worth it. All right, I'm gonna take a picture. Video releasing this big girl. Come on. There you go, big girl. Go ahead. There it goes. There it goes. Woo! All right, guys. So that big bass was on the blazing worm, my favorite bait that Guggen Squad makes. This is my favorite. Okay. Jeez. Golly. Good day of fishing, man. Well, I'm not very good at targeting those. I haven't seen any crappie either, but I'm guessing these guys have been getting them. Oh yeah, there's tons of bass. I caught a 5-pounder down there. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, there's all the way at the end, hang to the right. Tons of bass up there. I lost count. Hey, no problem. Well, I'm in for a fight now. Or not. Just kind of gave up. Another good bowfin. Oh man, he's about to bust that line. He broke that hook. Wow, that's crazy. Huh. Oh, that's crazy. At least I saved my weight. Oh. You done? Another good bowfin. There's another one. That's a good one. Goodness. Calm down. Yeah, just broke another damn hook. That's crazy. I don't know how the hell they're doing that. Open up. Open up. Come on, open up. Oh, you're mad. Come on. Golly. Furious. Guys, these bowfin are breaking my wacky worm hooks. Kind of crazy, like just snapping them right off. That's another bowfin. Man, they're kicking my butt. There's one on a jig. Going crazy. No. Don't be scooping up water in the boat, damn it. Oh, you took my craw. What the hell, man? Away this guy, he looks big. Nope. He will not open his mouth. Open your mouth, dude. Ah, doubled up. Here's another one. Doubled up. Okay. You gotta get out of the net. Oh, I just lost him. Yeah. You are being a pain in the butt. Oh, now you want to open your mouth? Oh man, he's clenching up his mouth again. There we go. Alright. This dude is so pissed. Alright. Stop it. 7 pounds. 7 pounds. Alright, guys. Oh no. There we go. Alright. Biggest one of this trip. 7 pounds. God, slimy, angry bastard. Very pissed. So that guy was caught on this jig. It's like a football jig. And then this Kraken craw from Guggen Squad. Come on, big boy. Little boy, actually. Oh. Bro. Seriously? Goodness. What did you just do with my... He just broke it. Well, I was having... Come here, you mean bastard. There. There, my little grippers. Ah, jeez. This guy. There. This guy freaking broke a damn jig. Ah, you're killing me. Ah. Dude, goodness gracious. Stop. 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 Just stop. Stop. Please. Golly, dude. This guy is a monster. Alright guys, I'm calling it quits. I'm tired of getting my ass kicked. Alright guys, we're gonna call this a day. I think I've caught enough fish for one day. It's almost ridiculous how many fish I caught in this new spot. This will definitely be a favorite from now on. Comment down below and tell me which one of the catches from today is your favorite, and maybe I'll send you a comment back and you might win a prize. I don't know what it is yet. I have a lot of extra tackle, so maybe some baits or whatever, but comment down below, tell me your favorite catch. You'll win some baits. I'm not sure which ones yet, but I'll announce it in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.